Have you ever had a Chick-fil-A sandwich? People queue up for them, waiting in long lines for a taste. It's not just any sandwich, it's a phenomenon. The chicken is the star, juicy, crispy, and cooked just right. The secret? Simplicity, done perfectly. A soft, buttery bun, 2 tangy pickles, and that golden chicken. Each bite is a symphony. People rave about it, calling it the perfect lunch, dinner, or snack. Why is it so popular? Because every part is made with care. The balance of juicy chicken, soft bun, and zesty pickles is spot on. It's the kind of food that makes you close your eyes and say, lovely. So, why not try making it at home? No queues, just a bit of kitchen adventure. With a few simple ingredients and patience, you can create your own masterpiece. Let's bring that famous taste into our own kitchen. It'll be a grand day out for your taste buds. Grab your apron. Let's get started. Time to make a sandwich worth celebrating. What makes this sandwich special? It starts with the chicken boneless, pounded thin, and coated in a light, crispy breading. The seasoning is just right: salt, pepper, and a hint of secret spices. The result? Crunchy outside, tender inside. Then comes the bun, soft, buttery, and lightly toasted. It's the perfect pillow for the chicken, never stealing the show. And don't forget the pickles. 2 dill slices for a tangy kick. That little bit of zest cuts through the richness and keeps you coming back for more. Each part, crispy chicken, soft bun, zesty pickles, plays its role beautifully. It's a trio of perfection, simple but extraordinary. No fancy gadgets needed, just quality ingredients and care. The magic is in the balance. 3 simple things, done well, create something unforgettable. That's the art of a great chicken sandwich. It's not about complexity, it's about getting the basics right. And that's why it deserves all the fuss. Ready to make your own? Let's gather our ingredients. Nothing fancy, just the essentials. You'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, similar in size for even cooking. Pickle juice from a jar of dill pickles is our secret weapon for tender, flavorful chicken. For breading, plain flour, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, salt, black pepper, paprika, and a dash of garlic powder. For the wet mix, 1 egg and some milk. Neutral oil like vegetable or canola for frying, enough to fill your pan about an inch deep. 4 soft hamburger buns and sliced dill pickles for assembly. A bit of melted butter for toasting the buns. All simple, honest ingredients you can find at any shop. No exotic bits or strange contraptions required. Just good basics for a great sandwich. With everything ready, we're set for our kitchen adventure. Gather your bits and bobs. Let's get cooking. Onwards to the kitchen. First, flatten your chicken breasts to about ½ an inch thick. Place them in a bowl or bag, cover with pickle juice, and marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. While the chicken soaks, set up your breading station. 1 dish with whisked egg and milk, another with flour, powdered sugar, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Pat the marinated chicken dry, dip each piece in the egg mixture, then coat thoroughly in the flour mix. Let the coated chicken rest on a wire rack while you heat the oil. Heat oil in a heavy pan to 350 degrees Rs, 175 degrees sides. Test with a bit of flour. If it sizzles, you're ready. Fry the chicken for 3 to 5 minutes per side until golden and cooked through. Drain on a wire rack to keep it crispy. Toast your buns in a pan with melted butter until golden. Now, assemble bottom bun, pickles, chicken, top bun. That's it. Your homemade masterpiece is ready. Simple steps, big flavor. No fuss, just great results. Enjoy the process. You've just made a cracking good sandwich. For the perfect crispy coating, start with dry chicken. Pat it well after marinating. Double dredge for extra crunch, flour, egg, then flour again. This thickens the crust and locks in juiciness. Keep your oil at the right temperature. Too cool and it's greasy. Too hot and it burns. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give each piece space to fry. Always drain fried chicken on a wire rack, not paper towels, to keep it crisp. These small steps make a world of difference. The result? Crunchy outside, juicy inside. Every time. Master the technique, and your sandwich will rival the best. That's the secret to a truly cracking bite. Time to assemble your masterpiece. Toast the buns with melted butter for flavor and structure. Add 2 or 3 dill pickle slices to the bottom bun. Place your crispy chicken fillet on top, then finish with the top bun. Classic, simple, perfect. Want to customize? Add mayo, spicy sauce, honey mustard, lettuce, tomato, or cheese. Make it your own. There are no rules. Serve with waffle fries, regular fries, or a fresh salad. Invite friends. Let everyone build their own. It's more than a meal. It's a celebration. Good food, good company, great sandwich. Enjoy every bite. There's real joy in making something delicious from scratch. That first bite, crispy, juicy, tangy, is all the more satisfying because you made it. You control the ingredients, the flavors, the experience. No mystery additives, just honest food. Adjust the spice, the salt, the toppings, make it yours. Cooking together creates memories and brings people closer. The smell of frying chicken fills the kitchen, building anticipation. Sharing your creation is a gift of effort and care. The homemade version has its own magic. It's about accomplishment, creativity, and fun. You don't need a fancy restaurant for a fantastic meal. Just a few ingredients, a bit of patience, and a love of good food. Your kitchen might just be the...
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.